Welcome back to the channel of Library Professionals. Today we will learn about the second module of eGranthalaya version 3, that is books acquisition. First, we should be able to know the purpose of this module, books acquisition. For what purpose the books acquisition module is used in eGranthalaya. So this books acquisition module is used to purchase the books using eGranthalaya. How? Let us start. We will go to books acquisition. Here comes so many tabs: author, directory, check, duplicate title, add new, etc. As you can see up to the last add payment details. So we will start from the first tab, that is author's directory. While purchasing the books, you will have a list of books in your hand. Keep that list in front of you. You will go to authors directory. Here you can add the authors of the books you are going to purchase. You can add those authors from here. Add new. In advance you can add the authors here. You can type the name of the author here, etc., and other details like this. DOB, email, URL, etc. The name is the must. It is compulsory because this is red field. Then you can save the author details here. Second option comes the check duplicate title. What is the purpose of duplicate title? Like author directory, you can check the title which you are going to purchase, the book you are going to purchase. If the details of that book already exists in your library, if that particular book exists in your library, you can get the details here. How? You will type the keyword of that book here. For example, I will check a title here. Pradipus Physicus. If you are going to purchase Pradipus Physicus, and suppose you have been asked to purchase the Pradipus Physicus, you will simply type the title here. You will get a list of books available in your library. So you can fetch the details from here by clicking on the left side of this cat number here like this. The details comes automatically. Then you can add the same details here. Add as new title. The details will be automatically added to your list. But for your convenience, as a beginner, you will exit from here. You will skip author directory and check duplicate title. You will directly go to add new title. The title is you are going to purchase, so you will start from here, add new title. Then you will click here on add new button. Then you will type the title here. For example, I am going to purchase a book, My Thoughts. My Thoughts. This is a book recommended to you by the committee or by any student, and you have to purchase this book. So what you will do, you will type the title here. Then if the book is having subtitle, mention here author. If book is having any author, you can add the authors here as well. If you don't have the authors already saved in your catalog, authors directory, you can add the authors here. For example, I will add something like SS Triple M. This is the author of this book, so I will save it here. I will exit from here from the author directory. Then I will go to author first. I have entered the author SSMM. It will automatically come here because it is being indexed automatically in the background of the software. Likewise, you can add the same author here, author 2. You can add the author 3 here as well. Then you will save the authors here. Next field comes the edition. If the book is having any edition, you can type the edition here. If the year of publication, if the book is published in the current year, then it will automatically fetch the year here in this tab. Or you can see the year of publication on the book as well. If the book is having any corporate author, type here, editors here, publisher. If the book is having publisher already saved in your publisher's list, you can search from here. However, you can add the new publisher from here as well. Click on new publisher, add the publisher detail. For example, this is the name of publisher, this is its place of publication, and the country of origin is India. You can add these fields as well here. Save it, exit from publishers directory. I will search it with D. I have named it D many times. Just click on place of publication, it will automatically come. Now the title you are going to purchase, if you are going to purchase a multiple copies of the same title, you will mention it here. If you are going to purchase the 2 copies or 3 copies of a title, you will write it here. How many volumes you are going to purchase? Suppose you are going to purchase 2 volumes of a copy of title, mention it here. If the book is having ISBN 1013 G8, whatever will be available, type it here, ISBN, then save it here. We will save the details here. A message is being displayed after you will save the title. The CAT number for this record is 2459. However, you have to remember this CAT number. You will write it anywhere 2459 because this will be used in future. I will click here OK. I will exit from here. I will again go to books acquisition. I will not go to add a new title. I have already added a title with CAT number 2459. Now I have to provide the acquisition record of this title. I will click on add acquisition record. This is asking me the CAT number. Just I have created 2459 my Thoughts book, which I have added in add new title. I will click on add new. I will provide an approval number. You have to provide an approval number here. Suppose I will provide 1 approval number. You can take only mandatory fields which are marked by red. Volume, which volume you are going to purchase of this title. Suppose first leave the memo, date, copy proposed. Suppose I am going to purchase 2 copies of this title. In which currency you are purchasing? Suppose Indian rupees. What is the price of this book? Suppose it is 200. If it will be in status, you have to mention the set price here. Sometimes the books are in volumes, volume first and second, then the price is mentioned as the set price, means set price of volume first and second. If it is available in set price, you can mention that here. Then vendor, from which vendor you are going to purchase. Suppose I will write here Minister for Parliament, Kulgam, reference number, any other number if available, you can provide that here. However, the red fields are mandatory. Then I will save it here. You have to remember the approval number. I have provided approval number 1 for this order. I will save it. I have saved. 2 steps are completed. I will again go to books acquisition. I have added acquisition record. Now I have to generate the approval. I will click on generate approval. I will select the approval number. As I have already given the approval number 1, I will select a letter text because I have to purchase the books. So I will select here books approval form. Then I will type here approval date. Suppose I will write today's date. It is 1/1/2/23. Committee. Which committee has? Library Development Committee. Then I will process it. Title has been sent for approval. Okay. You can print the details here as well by clicking on the print. I have clicked on the print. Let us wait a while. It takes a while. These are the details we have entered so far. I will exit from here. I will also exit from generate approval. I will again go to books acquisition. Now comes the third update approval. Now I have to update the approval. Again select approval number 1 which I have already provided. Then you have to check the title which you are going to purchase. For example, My Thoughts, you have to put a tick here in this box. approved volume first. We have proposed 2 copies to purchase. Copy approved 2. Simply we have to update this here. Update, then exit. Again I will go books acquisition, then comes the add order details. Cat number again. The first step, while I have added this title, the cat number was 2459. 2459. Then you have to add click on this button, add edit details or order information. Here you have to type the order number. Suppose order number is 1. Also mention this order number anywhere, because this will be required again and again. Order number 1, copies 2. Save. I will exit from here. Again I will go to next, receive documents. First I will go to generate order. Now I have to generate the order. Again I will select order number 1, letter text, books approval form. I will check this box here. I will put a tick simply here. Order date, on which date you are going to send the order to the vendor. For example, it is 1/1/2023. Vendor will automatically come. We have selected in the previous step, Minister for Parliament. Then I will update this. I have generated order as well. Now, however, you have to remember the step is completed then one by one. The step you have completed, you will remember that step. Now I will go to receive documents. After I have completed the order details, definitely the books will come from the vendor. Then we have to receive them in the library, and for that we will go to order number, select. See, this is volume first we have proposed while entering the book details. Copy ordered 2, copy received. Means we have ordered 2 copies. Have we received both the copies in the library? If yes, then put the 2 and update the details here. Then exit. Again we will go books acquisition. We have received documents. After receiving the documents in the library, of course we have to go for accessioning. We have to provide the accession numbers to the books. So go to accessioning. For this, select order here. Order number will remain the same, 1. After we are giving order numbers, the details of the books we have mentioned in the order will come automatically here. You can check it here. We have ordered just 1 book. My thought is 2 copies for this book. So we will select it here. The details will be below. The details will be below available for you after clicking on here, after selecting here. So here simply we will click on add new. Accession date will be automatically generated here. Sorry, it is 2nd of January today. Class number, if you want to provide any class number, you can provide here. Accession number, suppose I will provide any accession number 2456. Whatever will be the next accession number available to you in the library. Book number, pagination, suppose something like this. Accompanying material, if any, for example chat, CD-ROM, वगैरह, you can provide here. Where you want to put the book, whether in circulation, book bank, or reference. It's a reference book, so put it in circulation section. Where you want to put the book in book bank journal, I will put it in the reference section. Then I will save it here. I have provided the accession number 2459. I will exit from here. I have provided the accession number to the book I have purchased. Now I will go to second step, that is add bill details. Because while we have received the order, definitely the vendor would have sent the bill as well. So we will select here in add bill detail, add billing information. We will provide the CAT number, which was 2459. Sorry, I will go one step behind. It is books acquisition, accessioning. Yes, we have provided that. Accessioning update. It is order number 1. It is this title. Accession number 2456. Accession number 2456. Since we have purchased 2 copies, I have provided accession number to 1 copy. Now since these are 2 copies, now I have to provide the accession number to another copy. Same procedure, select the order number, select the title here, add new. Accession number 2456 I have already provided. Now for second copy it will be 2457. Then provide other details here, book number, location, title, etc. Then save. The accession number already exists. I will provide another one, 2458. Accession number has been saved. I will exit from here. Again, now I will go to add bill details. CAT number 2459. 2459. Now I will add bill details here. You can check from here, copy is approved to invoice number. While receiving the books with the bill, definitely there will be some book number, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, something written on the bill. Date will be also mentioned, suppose it is 2/1/2023. Item rupees, definitely we have put the cost 200 per copy, so it will be 400 for 2 copies. Then you will save the details here. We have provided the bill details to the title. Now I will again go to books acquisition. Now I have to add payment details, and since we have to pay the cost of this books to the vendor, again I will select the CAT number, which was 2459. 2459. Now simply go to add edit payment information, provide the check number if you want to provide the details via your check. Suppose check number is this, check date is this, then simply click on save. This completes our books acquisition. How we can purchase the books using books acquisition module. However, you have to remember one thing here. If you have to purchase multiple number of copies, and suppose you are going to purchase 100 books, and that time while providing the approval number, you have to mention just one approval number for those 100 titles or for those 100 copies, and just provide a common single approval number to all those titles. Do not provide separate approval numbers, and then they will be counted as 100 orders. So this is an important point here. If you are going to purchase 100 books, 200 books, 60, 70 books, you will mention them just under one approval number. If you will provide approval number 2, then provide approval number 2 to all those books. You will clear only this field, add new title and acquisition record, and generate approval. After entering all those 100 books, you will follow these steps below approval number. I hope you got it. Thank you.